Hey there, drone fans. Well, we've made it to day 9 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got another cool prize for you today. But before I get to this, how do Christmas trees get ready for a big night out with their friends? Well, they spruce up a little bit. On the 9th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Blink Doorbell Kit. That's right, it's the entire kit, the whole kit and caboodle. That was pretty cool. Anyway, you get the doorbell and you get the sync module. Now, it's incredibly easy to install it. You basically plug in the sync module, have it connect to your Wi-Fi, and it connects to the doorbell. This doorbell will run for up to 2 years on a couple of AAA batteries, which are included. So you bolt it on the front of your house, and that way when somebody walks up and they push the doorbell, it'll ring your doorbell, but more importantly, it has a camera in it that gives you a 150-degree view of what's going on your front porch, so it'll record motion and all kinds of security features. It even has two-way audio, so you can talk to somebody in your front porch and say, don't put the package over there, put the package over there, or whatever you want to say to them. So we're giving this away, and again, it's the complete kit. It couldn't be easier to install it. All you have to do to enter the contest is look down below in the description. You'll see a link there. If you click that link, it'll take you to a form on our website, and we're only asking for 2 things, your email address and your YouTube username, and that way I can get a hold of you if you win. After 7 days, we'll shut down the contest, we'll pull a winner out of all the entries that came in. Of course, we won't look at them, and we'll send you an email and say, good news, you won the Blink Doorbell Kit. Send us your address and we'll ship it to you. And as I say every time, there's no shenanigans here. It's a really honest channel. All I want to do is send this to you. We're not going to ask for shipping charges, or we're not going to start spamming you with emails. We just want you to be happy. And this is going to make you happy because it's going to give you something cool today to do in these really cold days. So get outside and install it the minute you get it. Anyway, that's it. So we've had a lot of fun so far going through these. I still have 10, 11, and 12 to do. And I might have some special guests on some of those. Who knows? I'm trying. We'll see. It's getting trickier. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to the channel and following us all these years. I think we're coming up on 10 or 11 years now with the channel, and it's been a pleasure. I've just had so much fun reviewing products, talking to people, spinning up different products that we've designed. It's just been a great experience all the way around. So I hope you guys are still enjoying the content, because if you are, I'm going to keep doing this every year. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. And again, until tomorrow, happy flying.